Students, let's start redox reaction. Today's topic is electrochemical cells with its numericals. Students, in our previous lecture, we have studied that why we are taken hydrogen as a standard electrode. So the answer is because hydrogen has equal tendency to lose or gain the electron. So its EMF is 0 and we are taking hydrogen as a standard hydrogen electrode and it is represented as SHE, standard hydrogen electrode. In our previous lecture, we have studied that how we can calculate the electrode potential of different metals by taking hydrogen as a standard electrode. Today's topic is EMF series, electrochemical series. See students, if we are calculating EMF in standard condition, it is represented by E naught. First the definition part, then we will discuss. It is calculated with respect to standard hydrogen electrode as a reference electrode, and these are arranged in increasing order of reducing strength to form a series is known as electrochemical series. See students, in electrochemical series, different metals are used to calculate its EMF with respect to hydrogen electrode, as we have discussed in previous video, and they all are arranged in a series. They are all arranged in a series. See here it is written, and it is arranged in increasing order of reducing strength. Means जो metal की reducing strength हम उनको increasing order of reducing strength में place करेंगे. See, hydrogen is taking as here reference electrode, it is 0. Now there are number of metals and we have to arrange them in an increasing order of their reducing strength. See here, zinc. Reducing strength of zinc is minus 0.76 and reducing strength of copper is 0.34 volt. What it means? The positive sign and negative sign. Negative sign shows that zinc has less tendency to reduce with respect to hydrogen. And if we are discussing about copper and hydrogen, then copper has greater reducing strength, having greater reducing tendency than hydrogen. So positive means the metal having tendency to reduce and negative means the metal has no tendency to form, to do reduction with respect to hydrogen. If we are dealing with two metals, copper and zinc, then copper is ready to do the reduction and zinc is not ready to do the reduction. How we have decided? By seeing their signs. Here the copper is positive and zinc is negative. So this electrochemical series help us to decide the metal which we have to taken to make a electrochemical cell. When we are constructing the electrochemical cell, we can take the help of electrochemical series. By this we can calculate the EMF of the cell. If it comes out to be positive, then the cell is working. We can construct the electrochemical cell. If it is not, that means current cannot be developed and we cannot take these cells. Let's discuss how. See, application of EMF. See, we have a series in which the number of EMF, number of reduction potential of different metal is given. See, standard EMF of the cell is equal to reduction potential of the cathode minus reduction potential of the anode. E cell is equal to E naught cathode minus E naught anode. If it comes out to be positive, the cell is working, current may be developed, but if it come out to be negative, that means construction of electrochemical cell cannot be done. Let's take the example. See here, if the any reaction is given here, zinc plus silver ion gives you zinc ion plus silver. So what we have to do? E naught cell is equal to E cathode minus E anode, and the value of E naught of zinc and silver is given, and it is given in the form of reduction. 2 ion is changes into 0 and positive is changes into 0. हमें इस चीज़ से बिल्कुल कोई मतलब नहीं है कि रिएक्शन में ऑक्सीडेशन हो रही है या रिडक्शन हो रही है. हमें ईएमएफ जो है दैट मस्ट बी इन रिडक्शन. पोटेंशियल यूनिट सेम होने चाहिए. सिर्फ रिएक्शन हमें हेल्प करती है ये फाइंड आउट करने में कि किसकी ऑक्सीडेशन हुई है और किसकी रिडक्शन हुई है, विच वन इज एक्टिंग एज ए कैथोड एंड विच वन एक्टिंग एज ए एनोड. ये सिर्फ रिएक्शन हमें सिर्फ इतना हेल्प करती है. ईएमएफ हमेशा रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल में दिया होना चाहिए. ऑलवेज प्लीज चेक द रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल इज इन रिडक्शन फॉर्म और नॉट. इफ इट इज नॉट इन रिडक्शन फॉर्म, प्लीज चेंज इट्स साइन. See, reduction potential of the zinc is minus 0.076 volt and reduction potential of silver is plus 0.080 volt. So place the value here. The value here, silver is acting as a, here the reduction is taking place in the case of silver, so it is a cathode, and in the case of zinc oxidation take place, so it is a anode. So place the value cathode minus anode. The answer comes out to be positive. So your answer is, that means your cell is working. If the reaction is given in this form, in the form of salt bridge, it's very easy to decide which is acting as a cathode and which is acting as an anode. Right side for reduction. If right side for reduction, and if the reduction is taking place, it is acting as a cathode. Cathode minus anode gives you same answer. The reaction आपकी इस फॉर्म में भी दी हो सकती है, आयनिक फॉर्म में भी दी हो सकती है, और रिएक्शन जो है आपकी, जो गिवन रिएक्शन है, वो आपकी रिएक्शन जो है वो सॉल्ट ब्रिज की फॉर्म में भी दी हो सकती है. सिर्फ आपने फाइंड आउट करना है कि किसका रिडक्शन हुआ है और किसका ऑक्सीडेशन हुआ है, एंड प्लेस द वैल्यू कैथोड माइनस एनोड, एंड दिस विल हेल्प यू टू डिसाइड विच मेटल is acting as a cathode or anode, and cell can work or not. See, anode, sometime the question is also asked, current ki, tell the movement of the current. See, the electrons are always moving from anode to cathode, and current is always moving from cathode to anode. So in this electrochemical cell where the value comes out to be positive, the zinc is acting as a anode. So the current is moving from zinc to silver, but electrons are moving from zinc to silver, to where the oxidation take place. But current is moving from cathode to anode, silver to zinc. This will help you to decide this. Thank you, students.